Hello students, today we are going to study types of channel. As we know that an open channel is a conduit in which water flows with a free surface and the free surface is subjected to atmospheric pressure only. Therefore, we will classify the open channel flow based on different criteria, that is, the first classification is based on type 1 classification, that is classification type 1. Second will be the type 2. Next will be type 3. And the last but not the least is the type 4 classification. Now we will see each and every type of classification in detail, starting with the type 1 classification. Now, in type 1 classification, we had classified the open channel flow into two types, that is the natural channel as well as the artificial channel. Now first of all we will see what is natural channel, after that we will see what is artificial channel. Natural open channel includes all channels that exist naturally on the earth. It means that all channels that exist naturally on the earth, such as river, tidal estuaries, etc. Natural channels generally having very irregular shape, so we can write it as they are generally very irregular in shape. Now, next type 1 classification is artificial channels. Artificial open channels are the channels developed by men. They are usually designed with regular geometric shapes. Example, irrigation canals, laboratory flumes, spillway, drops, culverts, roadside gutters, etc. So, we will write the definition as artificial open channels are the channels developed by men and they are usually designed with regular geometric shapes. Examples are irrigation canals, spillway, drops, culverts, etc. Artificial channel will look like this type of channel that is shown in this figure. Okay. Now we will move towards the classification type 2. Now in type 2 classification, the first channel is prismatic channel. A channel with unvarying cross section and the constant bottom slope is called a prismatic channel. It means that prismatic channel will have unvarying cross section and constant bottom slope All artificial channels are usually prismatic. Now their shapes are generally rectangular, trapezoidal, parabolic, circular, etc. Now the second type 2 classification is non-prismatic channels. A channel with either varying cross section or the varying bottom slope is called non-prismatic channel. It means that a non-prismatic channel will have varying cross section and varying bottom slope. The natural channels are usually non-prismatic. Now we will move towards the type 3 classification. The first type 3 classification is rigid boundary channels, which is shown in this figure also. A channel with an immovable beds and side is known as rigid boundary channel. It means that a rigid boundary channel will have immovable bed and sides. Example: lined canals, sewers, etc. Now second type 3 classification is mobile boundary channels. If a channel boundary is composed of loose sedimentary particles moving under the action of flowing water, the channel is called a mobile boundary channel. It means that a mobile boundary channel is having boundary which is made up of loose sedimentary particles which will move under the action of flowing water. Examples are: an alluvial channel is a mobile boundary channel transporting the same type of material comprising the channel perimeter. Now we will move towards the type 4 classification. The first type 4 classification is small slope channels. An open channel having a bottom slope of less than 1 in 10 is called a channel of small slope. It means that if a channel is having slope of the channel less than 1 by 10, it is called as small slope channel. The slopes of ordinary channel, natural or artificial, are far less than 1 in 10. Now the second classification of type 4 classification is large slope channels. An open channel having a bottom slope greater than 1 in 10 is called a channel of large slope. So if a channel is having channel slope greater than 1 by 10, it is called as large slope channel. Some artificial channel like drops, chutes, etc. have channel slope more than 1 in 10. That is all about the types of channels. Thank you very much, students.